In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete tags in Kit. Kit is the updated name for what used to be called ConvertKit, and the process for managing your tags has changed a little with the newer interface. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through deleting a tag safely, and I'll also share a few tips so you feel confident you're removing the right thing. First, make sure you're logged into your Kit account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look toward the top navigation and find the option labeled Grow. Go ahead and click on Grow and then choose Subscribers from the dropdown. This is where Kit keeps all of your subscriber management tools, including your tags. Once you're on the Subscribers page, shift your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. You should see a sidebar that includes different ways to filter or organize your subscribers. Scroll down this sidebar until you reach the section labeled Tags. This is essentially your tag library, where every tag you've created in your account will be listed. Take a moment to find the specific tag you want to delete. It's a good idea to double-check the name and make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have a lot of similar or test tags. When you found it, click directly on the name of that tag. This will open a view that shows all of the subscribers currently associated with that tag. At the top of this subscriber list, you'll see the tag name again, along with some controls. Look for the Edit button, which appears as a small pencil icon next to the tag name. Click that pencil icon to open the tag settings. This is where you can change the name or manage other details, but it's also where you'll find the delete option. In the window or panel that appears, navigate to the bottom left corner. You'll see a button labeled Delete Tag. Before you click it, just pause and remember that removing a tag will affect how you segment and send future emails to these subscribers. If you're sure this tag is no longer needed, click Delete Tag. Finally, Kit will prompt you to confirm that you really want to delete this tag. Read the confirmation message carefully, then click to confirm. Once you do, the tag will be removed from your account, and you'll be taken back to your subscribers area with that tag no longer listed.